Congratulations! You are now ready to use the Exactor AX plugin. Proceed to creating an accounting document as you normally would. Select the customer account and add line items to the sales order. Hit the Totals button to see the sales tax calculated for this line item. At this point, you can track the tax calculation request at the Merchant panel under the Reports tab. Once the sales order is confirmed and transferred to the invoice, it will be committed to Exactor. If you operate on a cash basis, you will need to apply payment to confirm the invoice. Once the transaction is invoiced, you will be able to trace it at the Exactor Merchant panel under Committed Transactions. The Exactor AX plugin is also capable of calculating the use tax. Proceed to creating a purchase order as you normally would. Select the vendor account and the storage dimensions. Add the line items. Hit Totals in the Headers section, and the use tax will be calculated and displayed, unless your company is exempt. In the latter case, you would see $0 in use tax calculated. At this point, you can track the tax calculation request at the Merchant panel under the Reports tab. Once you confirm and post the purchase order, the transactions will be committed, and you can track them under the Merchant Control panel under the Committed Transactions list. The Exactor AX plugin also tracks the calculated sales and use taxes through the internal AX system reports. Access the reports by navigating to the General Ledger, Posted Sales Tax. The system will display the calculated sales tax details based on the specified criteria. If you work with customers who are sales tax exempt, the Exactor AX plugin will enable you to automate the process of creating, tracking, and managing exemption information from within the Microsoft Dynamics AX system. To create the customer exemption, open the customer list. Select the customer, open their record, scroll to the Invoice and Delivery section, and hit the Edit Exemption button. In the open window, such customer details as customer name, address, internal customer ID, and telephone number will be pre-populated. You will need to select the states where the customer is exempt, within the USA, Canada, or in other countries, and fill in the exemption ID, exemption reason from the drop-down list, and effective start and end dates. When finished, hit Save. The ECN number, the internal Exactor exemption ID, will be generated and assigned to this customer, which will give the plugin the basis to calculate $0 in sales tax for this customer's transactions. You do sales, we do your taxes. Exactor.